Hey everybody, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to create a playlist for your Spotify, especially if a wedding DJ is out of the budget and you still obviously want to play music. So Spotify is a perfect place for you to go. And something else that I will also recommend that you do as well is to pay the extra just the day of your wedding to eliminate any ads and stuff like that. So that way the music can play continuously without the interruption of ads. So you're going to download the Spotify app, which is this green icon right here. Then you're going to go over to your library. Your library may be empty, especially if you don't have a Spotify account. But if you do have a Spotify account, go ahead and hit your library. But either way, you're still going to hit the library. Then you're going to hit the plus sign. And then you see where it says give your playlist a name. You can probably do two playlists, one for the actual wedding ceremony and then the other one. So we'll just do that. So that's what it will look like. Then you can add, so again, I'm going to backtrack. You're going to do two playlists, one for the actual wedding ceremony. So music can be playing while guests arrive and before things get started that way. Then you're going to do another playlist for your wedding reception. So you're going to add songs. Then you're going to, let's just say, wedding songs, or if you already know certain songs that you want to have, and then you could also sample the songs if you're not familiar. So I just did wedding songs, and then you can also go on YouTube and type in what kind of different wedding songs pop up and jot them down, write them down, then transfer them over to your search for them on your Spotify account, then add them. So we'll just I'm not going to play no music just because of the copyright, but as you see on the left hand side, you see the box or circle with the play button. So you want to go ahead and hit that just to hear the song and sample it out. And then this way, doing a playlist can mimic your day of schedule. So what you could do is hire like a teenager or somebody or a college student, somebody that you already know that's already attending. Say, hey, you want to make like a couple extra dollars? I just need for you to follow this day of schedule and play these songs. I'm going to have somebody announcing so that way you know when to play it. So that way you can adjust the sound and play the music, according to the schedule. And then on the right hand side where you see the circle and the plus, that's where you're going to hit it. So I'm just going to do that. So I added that to the wedding ceremony. And as you see, there it is. Again, I'm not going to play any music just because of the copyright on YouTube and the copyright in general. So that's how you make pretty much a Spotify playlist. And as you see there it is. Wedding ceremony, and then for wedding reception. Same process. You find songs that you want to be played during your wedding reception, and at this point, once you do the toast and all the speeches and stuff like that, you can just again have the music play without having the teenager or college student run it for you, or if you want to continue to keep them there all night just to, A, watch over your phone, and B, to play the music and make sure nothing doesn't repeat, and you also want to make sure that you have a good long playlist too, something that's not going to be repeated, and with Spotify, they kind of are good with, especially if you go ahead and try to put songs on there twice. They'll send you like a message saying the song's already on your playlist. Do you want to add it again? So obviously you're going to say no. But just go on YouTube and TikTok and, different places and ask people, different good wedding reception songs and stuff like that. And then you could still have somebody again with your phone not monitoring it, because obviously the songs that you want on there are the ones that you want to play, but they are it's just flowing, and then you also want to cut your notifications off and stuff like that, so there's no like dings and chimes and stuff while the music is playing. So that's how you create a Spotify playlist, and I hope that you found this video very informational. I hope that you share it out. I also hope that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell for more videos, and I will see you all on the next video. Drop a comment below if you want to see a specific video, if you want me to talk about a certain wedding or event related topic. I will be more than happy to do so. Go ahead, download some of my digital products, because I do have plenty of checklists, timelines, different tools to help you plan and execute this wedding. So go ahead, click the link below. There's a lot of great links below. Again, that's going to help you. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next video.